Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty here out of Sarasota, Florida. Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a brand new construction, new home community in the heart of Sarasota. I love this community. It is a community that is built by Medallion Home. Medallion Home is a smaller builder, building only about 350 homes a year. So I feel like their quality, their customer service is better than a lot of the other big builders in the area. Now, this home is called Waverly. It sits right off of Proctor Road. It is east of I-75, but only about a mile or so east of I-75, just north of Clark and just south of Bee Ridge. So it's a wonderful location right in the heart of Sarasota. You have a quick drive to downtown Sarasota and a quick drive over to Siesta Key, South Bridge using Clark Road, or up to Bee Ridge and taking the North Bridge to Siesta Key. So you're close to the beaches, close to downtown, you're close to I-75. It's definitely a very desirable area, and there has not been new construction offered in this area in quite a bit of time. Talking to about Waverly, Waverly is an exclusive gated boutique community of about 110 luxury homes that are starting in the mid 500s and working their way up to the $1.5 million mark or so. These homes are conveniently located to a lot of conveniences from grocery stores, shopping, and the I-75 corridor, which shoots you up north and south down to University Town Center for some great restaurants and shopping, down south to Venice and Fort Myers and different areas. So I wanted to take a second, talk about Waverly, how it's one of my favorite new construction communities in the heart of Sarasota, and show you now a quick tour that I did of one of their models. As of right now, Waverly is on a sales freeze. That is actually going to be opening up here later this week. And now they don't know what they're going to be opening and allowing regarding to going to contract for new construction, but they are selling and they are able to sell their model homes. Their Santa Maria model is one of my favorite models that I have seen in the area, and so I did a quick tour of that I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I look forward to talking to you soon. I am standing here in front of the Santa Maria model for Waverly in Sarasota. Waverly is a community off of Proctor Road, east of I-75, right in central Sarasota. It's a wonderful geographical location in that you are close to I-75. You're close to Clark Road, which is just the main road south of Proctor. And Clark Road then shoots you about 7 miles right up to Stickney Point Bridge, which takes you right over the bridge to Siesta Key on the south side of Siesta Key there. So this is a very popular model, one of my favorites of all the new builders here in the area. Santa Maria, they do have a version called the Grand Santa Maria as well, which is just a little bit bigger. Everything's kind of stretched. Larger kitchen, larger guest bedrooms, larger master. Everything's just a little bit larger. So coming in the front door, on the right side, there's an office. And the details are beautiful. Nice big bay window here in the front of the house. A wet bar for the office. And on the left side, after coming in the front door, is the formal dining. So they have a little breakfast area on a bay window, looks out over the pool, then a formal dining toward the front of the house. So it's a split floor plan. And I love how expansive this house looks when coming in the front door, how there's a media room in the back. They put a bar back there, but it makes the house feel very long and beautiful. The details of the fireplace, the stacked stone. I'm gonna walk over here to the right into the master. This model is actually for sale currently. All the new construction is halted sales-wise for the community, but they are able to sell the model. This model is offered at 1.4 million and some change, I believe. 2 closets, both walk-ins. Master overlooks the pool and does have a sliding door that does shower. Beautiful vanity, and there's a double vanity, but they're split with a tub in between. There is a window over the tub, and then a linen closet there, and then the toilet room is right here on the left, or it's the right as you walk into the. So that's that. We're gonna move over to the kitchen, the main house. These are wonderfully large tiles. The house is equipped with hurricane shutters. This is the view when walking in from the front door from the main house. There's a pergola. It's a tiered elevation to the deck with a water feature. So very well done. The house does have hurricane shutters as a requirement in Florida. Any house built 2001 or later is required to have either impact glass or hurricane shutters, and this one does have the hurricane shutters. So a nice, wide, beautiful kitchen. Flat top range. And a nice oversized fridge with a wine cooler, pantry, a glimpse at the 3-car garage. There's the hurricane shutters up against the wall. Hot water heater over in the corner. But nice size 3-car garage. Laundry room. Does have beautiful real stone countertop. There is a sink. And then obviously the washer and the dryer. There's a little desk area here right off of my back right now is against the garage door. So this is what, as you'd come in the garage, what you would see. This hallway. And then there's 2 closets on the left. One is a coat closet or entertainment closet. They have like other wiring and stuff in there. And I believe this one's the HVAC. And it is. But there's some storage room in there as well. All right, so taking the hall on the left here, there is a beautiful guest room. Mirrored on both sides of the bed with a closet. There's a pocket door here. So this could easily become an ensuite guest area. So this is a tub shower. That's the front door straight ahead that you see, the dining area on the left as you walk in from the front door, and the office straight across. Beautiful appliances, beautiful fixtures. Obviously, being a model, they did not spare any expenses. Love the lighting. Guest bathroom with a stand-up shower. This has a pocket door as well, so this could also be a guest suite. There's that bay window with a little breakfast area. And then here is a bonus room or media room, extra family room, kind of whatever you want it to be. Love the idea of it being a game room or media room. Easily would fit a pool table. There's a bar area, plenty of cabinetry, sink, and what I love about the house, and that is the outdoors. Love how much room under roof there is in this model. It's very large. You can see how much space. There's tons of space between the couches, and you can see the shade line or the shadow of the roof. So you can see how much is actually under roof, and there's a full outdoor kitchen over there with a sink and grill. That's the master slider. It's got a fridge, sink, grill, a little kind of bar top. It's got the pergola with a table up there. Very large deck. You can see even with the lounge chairs, 2 lounge chairs, how much space it really does have. This does back up to a wooded area, so there's nothing behind you but oak trees and some shrubbery, so very nice backdrop. Large lots. Now we'll head back in and